Hey guys, so today we are going to adjust the suspension. So here you can see in the Hunter, this is the stock setting. Okay, the stock setting means this is at the softest point. So what happens when you sit on the bike? There is a sag. Okay, so spring compression does not work that effectively. When you already sit, it is already compressed, so you will get the bumps more. So what we are going to do, use this toolkit, okay, provided in your toolbox. Okay, join it like this. Okay, then you have to fit these in the groove, okay, provided here properly. So I will do it now, as you can see. Okay, and make it 2 points stiffer. So how we will make it? So we'll move it clockwise. Okay, so one, okay, that's one click, and that's the two clicks. So as you can see, this is the stock, the second, the third. Now there are two more left. If you have more luggage that you want to carry in your long ride, maybe you can put it there, or maybe you can test it as per your in each setting, as per your like convenience, like how much you weigh, how much pillion weight. So ideally, uh, I will do it on the other side as well. I will move it clockwise. Okay, ideally it should be in the midpoint for the most comfort. I mean, it is in the midway. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching.